welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Join the family. So guys, on today's video, I am transforming myself into Dimma. Like, if you don't know who Dimma and Dimma Umeh is, she's like one of the biggest beauty YouTubers, beauty influencers, beauty YouTuber in Nigeria. She's like really up there. So guys, today I'm going to be trying to transform myself. People laughing. I'm going to be transforming myself into her, like makeup, outfit. I don't open my hair, so I just make sure I got a picture. I'll put the picture here of a picture of her having on like headgear, which I'm going to do also. So I hope you guys like this video. Please rate this video from 1 to 10. What do you think I would get? Because it's just so funny to me right now. I hope you guys enjoy. I am going to be doing my brows. Where's my brow pencil? Ew. Hey, what's happening? For the Dimma Umeh brows, I'm going to be using this pencil, this MAC pencil. I'm going to be trying to draw her brows. Her brows are always so like, there's the way her brows are so. Let me try and draw these brows off camera so it will be good. And I'll be back. So guys, I'm back. I think I tried in this brow. This brow looks somewhere close to Auntie Dimma's brow. You see this one? Auntie Dimma, come and rescue me. This one, I don't know, like it just looks different. The way her brows look, I'm not getting it, but I am trying my best. I'm trying my best. For the eyes, with my Huda Beauty Desert Dogs palette, like the makeup look that she had in the picture that I'm using, like it's somehow red with like some purples or something like that. So this is what the palette I'll be using. Oh god, this is my brows and making me laugh. I'll be using the Juvia's Place Magic Concealer to conceal my eyelids. Let's start with one eye first before I do something that I'll regret. As I'll be using this Xyron brush. I don't know, the name has clean from the body, but Xyron brush to blend this out. And now I'm going in with this like beauty blender. Real technique. It's dried. I'm just going to use that to pat this my eyelids. Oh god, hope I'm getting this. Because if this is different, it's not going to be funny. Okay, she just little. She's not going to put on my eyes. I have made a mistake. Like I said, I'm trying to form myself into her, so you have to make sure you look close. So guys, I went in with the shade Saffron. Then now I'm going in with Amber and Oud, just to give it that definition. Dimma Umeh is like one of the biggest beauty gurus, like beauty influencers, YouTubers in Nigeria. It's probably like I started watching when I wanted to start my channel. Like she was one of the people I was watching because like I really liked makeup and I was like, oh my god, I like this girl. I do this, I do that. So I think she's currently on like 300,000. Maybe? Yeah, I think so. Is it 300,000? Yes, 300,000 subscribers on YouTube. Very good. She's very good at what she does. That one is clear. So now I'm going in with Twilight and Retrograde. I think so. And I think he had, did I say silver? Is this silver in this?
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'm going back with in Oud. Again, just try and darken the outer corner of the eyes because her makeup does not look, there's the way it looks that I can't just pinpoint on it. Like it looks, let's see, I'm trying my best to look like Dimma Umehe. Let me do this eye off camera and I'll be back. Guys, I'm back. I don't know if what I'm doing, if it's close, but I hope like it's not that off. I can see she does not have eyeliner on. I'm just going to be popping on, I think I'm popping on Sexy. Yeah, Sexy. I'm going to be popping on Sexy on my eyes. Guys, as you can see, I'm done with my eyes. I just have a feeling that this eyes doesn't, like my eye makeup does not look exactly.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I'll be using the Juvia's Place Velvet Matte Foundation in Punta Cana, and also the Juvia's, the shade, the multi-purpose foundation stick in Mauritania. I think Mauritania. I don't know. I just got this, so I don't know which one is even going to be my perfect shade. But first, let's prime our face. I'm trying to close any pores because Dimma Umehe's face is always, especially by her nose side, is always very clear. Like her skin is very, very clean and clear, and we don't have clear face, so we have to try our best. I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. The size is actually, it's bigger than I thought. Okay. It's a nice amount. Is this my shade? I think so. I'm going to contour my face. Like, Dimma Umehe always contours her face very well. Like the contour is always on point. Like everything. LA Girl Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa. Wish. Do I look like Dimma yet? Do I look like her yet?
Oh hell no!
I don't think so. We are getting there. I don't know if I'm like, I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I don't think I'm turning to Dimma Umehe. I think I'm just turning to something else. I don't know. Hey God, help me. Oh my God, have mercy on your daughter. So now I'm going in with the Zaron Face Definer in PZ05. I'm just trying to contour my nose now, because Dimma Umehe's nose is always snatched. I think that looks good. I think so. It looks okay. So now I'm going to just water. Yeah. Do you see the resemblance yet? Oh my God. Silver in the inner corner of our eyes. Anastasia Glow Clay. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'll be using, she used blush even though I never use blush, so I'll be using the sleek blush in Life's a Peach. This is how it looks. I think it's close to what she has on. But I don't even know how to apply this because I never use it, so it's really nice. Okay. Shining, yeah. I think we're done with the face. I'm not that sure, but I think so. Do I look like Dimma? I don't know. I hope so. Like when I have the headgear and clothes on, I pray I look really close to her. But right now, I don't see the resemblance yet. This is it. This is the makeup I tried to recreate, which I think I tried. Like, you guys should rate it from like 1 to 10. What do you think? I think it's not very close, definitely, but what do you think? So guys, let me go and change into the outfit and I'll be back. So guys, I'm back. So what do you guys think? Unfortunately, I didn't have like normal head scarf or head gear that she was using. So I just used this other type that I had, something black, something similar. Then I got bangles because she has like a bangle on her hand, so I just like it's crisscrossed. So I just got these two to make them look somewhat close, maybe not the same thing. I got this top. So what do you guys think? Do I look like Dimma yet? Do I look like Dimma Umeh yet? Huh? What do you guys think? Please don't forget to rate this video. Rate me. I want to know, and please be honest, from 1 to 10. How close did I get to? Like how close was I? Did I try? Am I close? Or no, like I cannot be. Or if I did horrible, please tell me. Please, before I forget, please, if you can send or tag this video, tag Dimma Umeh in this video, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. If you can send her this video, comment under her videos to come and watch this video. I just want her to see this video. And free, and you don't have to think about me. So until I see you guys next time.